Guys, welcome to Nick Fix. We rebuild the whole suspension on a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2015. We got the MedTech upper control arm with the new nut that they gave us, the TRQ knuckle. I had to take out the new shock because I had a problem with it. I gave it back to Rock Auto. They're giving me a new one. I got the MOG tie rods. I put a new clamp in for the tie rod. I didn't use a safety strap. I used the new clamp because I have the pliers to put a new clamp in. I got to put the clamp back on here. Also, I got a new axle from AutoZone because OME wants $800 for this. A new low control arm I got. There's a new link. New sway bar link right here. And everything was torqued down to the right order that the book says. If I could do this in your driveway, you guys can do this too with common hand tools. That's all I use for this. I'm going to show you how to do the right side this weekend. From ABS line to tie rods to low control arm to knuckle to the upper control arm, everything. Guys, it's very easy. Just right sockets and right ratchets and you can get this off with no problems. I even did the brakes and rotors on this car too. Everything's replaced on this car. It's beautiful. I can't wait. Thank you for TRQ. Thank you for everyone.